Pittsburgh are rolling down that eastern seaboard.
Hello, y'all. I'm the cowboy trucker. My beautiful wife, Sable, she's behind the camera. And our dog's laying down here in the middle of the floor. But we want to touch up on a little topic of driving on ice during winter time. Now, this stuff is starting to thaw out now because we've been stuck here for hours. But this guy here decided to slam up his brakes on ice, and right off the road he went. Then up ahead is another truck that spun all the way around and jackknife in the median. When you drive on ice, park it if you're not comfortable. First of all, safety first. Who cares about that load? It'll get there eventually. Two, if you could drive on ice, you should know to keep your speeds between 15 to 25 mile an hour. Now, if it's really slick, you want to stay in low gear. That way you got plenty of power and you can control your truck. Because if you touch your brakes at all, you're going sliding on ice. So you need to be able to rely on your engine to slow you down and slow you down quickly. And in most cases, you can use your Jake brake on the low setting. It'll prevent a skid, but you'll be ready to immediately shut that sucker off just in case that your trailer starts outrunning your truck and you end up in a jackknife. So that's why it's better to stay slow, use the power of your engine to control your speeds, so that way you don't break your traction out here on this ice. You know, they don't call it ice road trucking for nothing. You gotta know what you're doing or you're gonna die. We'll get you some photos of all these trucks being clowns out here today, locking it all up. Hey, y'all, just think that all we're about to show you is just the past 24 hours during the snowstorms here in Oregon.